All right, here's a question that they ask you to solve for y. And we haven't done this specific question in this unit. We used to do this in the first unit, but I've moved it anyway to a later unit, I think the next one. But let me show you how you can do it. The first thing I would do is factor out the difference of squares on the bottom. So y minus 4, y plus 4. And then I can use the clear fractions rule, which says to get rid of all your fractions, you can multiply every term by the lowest common denominator, which in this case is y minus 4, y plus 4. So you multiply every term by that. Y minus 4, y plus 4. And this one, y minus 4, y plus 4. So in the first one, the y plus 4's cancel, and I'd be left with 4 times y minus 4. Next one, the y minus 4's cancel. I'm left with negative 2 times y plus 4. And finally, all of this cancels, so I just wind up with 14. And now I use the distributive property, so 4y minus 16 minus 2y minus 8 equals 14. Collect my y's, so I'd be 2y minus 24 is equal to 14. I think that's right. Add 24 to both sides, and then divide both sides by 2. So my solution to that question would be 2. And you could take that 2 and plug it in there and there and there, and then just see if one side is equal to the other side. It should work. Okay, hopefully that helps.